guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you guys have had a great holiday season, and in today's video I will be unboxing and giving some first impressions on the DOQAUS wireless headphones. So before we get straight into the unboxing, kind of want to give a little specs just so you get a little bit of what these headphones have to offer. So out of the box comes with Bluetooth version 5, a 1000 milliamp hour battery, and 52 hours of playtime. The Bluetooth range is set to be 33 feet, but we're gonna have to test that out to make sure that's really true. And charging time is about 2.5 hours. Now I have been using these headphones because I did get them on Christmas Day, and I charged them up on Christmas, and to this day, New Year's Eve, I haven't had to charge them once yet, and I've used them every single day for long periods of time, because when I'm watching YouTube videos or on my phone or whatnot, I'm always using headphones, don't really not use my headphones, so this is definitely an accurate test to see how long it really lasts. The last time I checked, it was still 70% battery, just like many more days where I can use the headphones without having to charge them. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing.
Okay, so we have the headphones right here, and the brand is called DOQAUS. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but they're the Life 3 wireless headphones. And so this is what the front of the box looks like. The side kind of shows you like this little control bar and then all the different modes. Then the back, we have more on the headphone, and it just tells you Life 3 gives you a high definition sound experience and all that stuff, telling you how good the sound is on the headphones. Then we just have Headphone Reimagined. So they're trying to change the game of headphones, I see. And on the bottom, there's nothing really there. So let's take off the tape and see the headphones inside. Okay, so we have the headphones, and then there's something underneath. Okay. So this is probably the charging cable and the aux cable. Let's open this up. Yep, I'm correct. Aux cable and USB Type-C charging cable. I expected micro. I didn't actually check what method it uses for charging, so this is going to charge a lot faster than your average cheap headphone. Then we have like the user manual, and we have the headphones, obviously wrapped in this nice little plastic wrapping. I got them in blue because that's, fun fact, my favorite color. It's also kind of why it's the channel color, because blue is awesome. Oh wow, these look nice. They look a lot nicer than the Zenith headphones even. So I'm gonna move everything out the way and talk about the headphones. So these are like my first impressions ever. Just got them from under the Christmas tree because today is Christmas. And this is what they look like. They sound creaky, but I don't know if it's just because the way I'm moving them. But right off the bat, we see it has their little brand on the side here. And then they have this like clear encasing over this area that adds protection. They have the same thing on this side, kind of adds reflectiveness as well. Then we have that sidebar they were talking about. Volume up, volume down, skip, pause. EQ, power. Not gonna turn them on right now. We're kind of just doing like a physical look at them. Their logo is really cool, honestly. And then we have their brand again. DOQAUS. Not sure if that's how you say it, but that's what we're going with. The earmuffs are large, so they will fit a big ear. I do have small ears, so that should just add to noise cancellation for me. They did claim to have noise cancellation, and I'll have to test that out when I put these on. But these are just the first impressions out of the box. It says wireless here. Very thankful for them putting that there. And they're foldable, so they can be more compact and fit in smaller places. They extend to about right here. So you're getting a pretty good extension. And yeah, these are really my first impressions. And we'll get to more like hands-on experience in the next clip.
So funny story actually, but as I was editing this video, I realized that when I said like right here was very reflective, I didn't realize there was a plastic wrapping over that made it appear that way. But I took it off, and I mean, it still is reflective, but it definitely has like a different feeling to it. There's texture. So yeah, that was just a silly mistake. But this is what the headphones look on. Oh, I put them on the wrong. There is some slight noise cancellation, so if I'm talking louder, then obviously we know it's working. But this is the front view. I feel like they feel and look really premium, in my opinion. I really like the way they look, the way they sound, the way they feel. My ears, let me take them off. I have small ears, and these ear cuffs right here are not small. So it really just holds my ear in there, and I still have a little room in them. So that's something interesting. But when I first put these on and started using them, I kind of like was trying to find the soundbar on this part of it, but they're really closer to the actual soft part of the headphone. So that was something I had to get used to, but it was pretty easy adjustment. Even to this day, I still, make sure I'm pressing the actual power button to turn them on instead of the EQ button, because it's lower. But I've really enjoyed these headphones. Let me get like a little side view. I just moved my whole desk. So yeah, I really enjoy the headphones. They're comfortable. Even wearing them long periods of time, there's no discomfort with them. And all in all, these are great headphones. They're around $30, $35-ish, depending on when you're on Amazon looking for them. Price may go up, but I got them for around $30, which is very nice. The colors really contrast well, a dark and a light. I feel like if the whole thing was this blue color, then it wouldn't have looked as nice as this. The thing I did notice is that when I'm moving them around, like, you can hear some creaking. So when I first opened them out of the box, I was a little like, are these broken? But no, they're not. That's just how they are. If they do break in the future, I will make an update video. And also, another reason why I do have these new headphones is because my Jam Out There headphones did break. So I will also make an update video to those, because why not? I mean, we need to know why they broke and how they broke and just how they look now, because I actually still have them. So unlike the Zynic headphones video, I have the Jam Out There headphones to really show you the damage that has been done. But enough of my rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. And also, we're in 2022 now. Great way to kick off the new year, and I can't wait to see how far we can get. We hit 100 subscribers. I'm very thankful for that. And you know, my next goal is just to keep growing and growing, getting more subscribers and just building a community. So thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers, and I will see you in the next one.